the value of the summation n is equal to 1 to 13 within bracket I to the power n plus I to the power n plus 1, where I is equal to root over minus 1. There are 4 alternatives. A, first alternative, answer I. B, second alternative, answer I minus 1. C, third alternative, answer minus I. D, fourth alternative, answer 0. Now first write the given expression, that is summation n is equal to 1 to 13 within bracket I to the power n, I to the power n plus 1, bracket closed, where I is equal to root over minus 1. If we put n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, after expanding this, we will get 13 into 2, that means 26 terms. So we will try to reduce this expression such that we will get less terms. See, n is equal to 1 to 13. Here, in these two terms, I to the power n common. So, I to the power n, taking out common, within bracket 1 plus obviously I. See, within bracketed expression 1 plus I, here is no n. So, we can take out 1 plus I outside of summation symbol. So, this will be summation n is equal to 1 to 13 I to the power n. Now if we put n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, that is expand this, we will get only 13 terms. Now so expanding, showing 1 plus I into expanding this within third brackets. N is equal to 1 I plus n is equal to 2 I square plus n is equal to 3 I cube and so on. What will be the last term? I to the power 13, bracket closed. Say the terms within the bracketed, this is geometric series. Expanding geometric series, the geometric series a plus ar plus ar square plus a r to the power n minus 1. That means sum of the n terms of a geometric series, known that the formula is a into r to the power n minus 1 not like this by r minus 1. Next, 1 plus I. See, first term I I square means I into I, that means common ratio I square into I cube, and so on. This is last term. Last term can be written as I into r to the power 13 minus 1. Here n is equal to 13. So, as per this formula, what we will write? I into, here r is I to the power n means 13, minus 1 by I minus 1. Now next step, 1 plus I into I. See, I is equal to root over minus 1. Squaring both sides, I square is equal to minus 1. Again squaring both sides, I square, squaring after that I to the power 4 minus 1 into minus 1, or minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. So, now we will express I to the power 13 in terms of the power of 4 plus something. That means we can write here I to the power 13 means we can write I to the power 4 into 3 plus 1. This can be written as I to the power 4 whole to the power cube into I. After simplification, this will be this and this is this. So, writing this, in place of I to the power 13, I to the power 4 whole cube into I minus 1 by I minus 1. Now, 1 plus I into I, here is I to the power 4 1 to the power cube is equal to 1. So, finally this will be I minus 1, and in the denominator what is I minus 1? This factor will get cancelled. Now see, multiply this I plus I into I square. See, I square is minus 1. Here is C, I square minus 1, 1. Therefore, finally, the last step is I minus 1. That is, the answer is B. Therefore, the answer is B. I minus 1. If you are benefited, you should share your friends for their benefit. Thank you.